everyone! I know that there's not a lot of accurate videos online for Junko poses. You see a lot more of TikTok challenges or some people that think that they're accurate but they're not, and I get your frustration. So I'm gonna help you out, the do's and don'ts of how to do the Junko pose. Alright, first of all, Junko is not based out of the classic anime style for drawing. It is based out of 3D figures or sculptures. So there's not a lot of movement like most animes would do, like, you know how like you're a little bit bouncy? And don't move too much. Have the camera as stable as possible. Don't have somebody else hold the camera. Don't. Just put it somewhere where it doesn't move, where the lighting is stable. You know what I mean. I'm gonna try to do it without looking stupid right now. Face the camera always, like, so I'm kind of too far, but so it's like the movement, and then you're gonna do your posing, like bam, 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 bam. I didn't do it properly there, but you get the idea. So really, pose, pose, pose. Okay, now, concerning the sprites, oh my god, so many people doing wrong. I'm gonna teach you how to do them right. Okay, and the don'ts. So the do's, you know this one, okay? That's one most people, it's hard to mess it up. Okay, you're supposed to do a crazy face. If you do the cosplay, do it. It's really in the finger and arm movements that people are going to judge you. Judge. If you don't have the cosplay and don't do the faces, it's okay. They'll forgive you for not being so awkward, because like that gets pretty creepy. But you can just, really the important is like this almost one that, like, you don't want your thumbs to touch. You kind of want to be near your throat but not touching it. So, and you have to like move your head forward as these are cutting on the side like this. So you have to like it. Then and this one that people do with 2 fingers instead of 1, it's 1 finger. Okay, 1 finger. This finger, she pretends like she's pulling like the hair off, her face. I think that's kind of the vibe that I got from it, but she's not actually touching the hair. But just imagine that you have hair there and like you're pulling it back, just holding it. Like, watch me, like the. You want to turn your body a little bit. Keep your head up, turn on the side, just down a little bit. Like, it has to be like you stand straight, but the face looks down a little, like. So, kind of goes like, even that. And after this one, the one that people do with a fist instead of a flat hand on the side, and the elbow is a little bit like echelon to the fist, like, hide your face. So this on the elbow, the hand goes like this, 2 fingers together, and the fist, you need to imagine that it would just like touch like this, but because the style of the 𝑫𝑨𝑵𝑵𝑏𝑵𝑏𝑵𝑏𝑛 doesn't really have a lot of curves, you kind of just keep the hand flat, like just like this, you know? But then you put it like, you cover your hip with it, half of it, so like you see how the half is? So you need to be like, you know, like if you were like, oh my god, don't talk to me, I want you to see my face, but I'm going to pretend like I don't want to. It's the same idea here. So like, I'm hiding behind my hand, but you can see my face. Like, oh, okay, you get it? Turn it a little bit. So look at the picture, look in the mirror, just practice this transition, because this is the hardest transition between both movement from here and here, because this movement here, you have this hand here, so practice this hand instead of this one. This hand here, that goes across. So that movement of your fingers going to a flat hand and crossing the street, first of all, you change the focus of the camera, because that was the main focus. And then we're going for this. So you're going to get a blur, first of all. If you're on 60 frames per second, that's where it's most likely to not look good. So really practice this one. Really, that's going to make the difference on your video if you actually practice this movement the most instead of most people that just practice this instead. Let's review that. So like this here. So how you're going to transit is make sure that this hand here, you keep that 1 finger, you kind of pull, and as you're pulling, like both hands have to cross, okay? like they're even, like you see, it's even. And from here, turn your hand, it stays at the same height, while this one pulls the other finger. So same movement, like you're here, flat hand, you kind of just turn, so like the focus is still going to stay in that one square here, so you're gonna get a smoother effect. So bam, it's gonna do it a lot. Like you're gonna take this scene, know it like you would be able to just talk to someone at the same time. So damn, and then that's a cute one. So like you can just look at the picture, but really don't pull anything. Just kind of like, and then you go do it again. Okay?